Hi, my name is Mark Van Horn. I'm one of the other people working on metals at the site of Tel Akko. I'm from Penn State and I'm a master's student there. And one of the things that we do at the site, and we have done this season, which is new, is that we've taken a bunch of X-ray fluorescence samples from across the site. And what these are used for is, these give us a sediment composition of minerals and elements that are in the soil, and we can try and use that to link it to the larger macroscopic artifacts that we found in regions through the use of GIS systems. So one of the main things we're looking for when we look at these samples is we're looking for iron content, we're looking for copper content, and we're also looking for any other sort of minerals that might be used in a production sense that could be used to sort of map out the soil around the site and see what differences there are. I also work with some of the large slag finds, so around the site there's a massive amount of slag recovered over the years that the site has been excavated. And what's really unique about the amount of slag here is that it comes from the Persian period almost entirely, rather than other sites in the Levant which have it from earlier in the Iron Age. So this is basically a worldwide first, that we have such a late ironworking site with such a huge amount of industry that's going on. So one of the things that we can do with slag that we find is we can send out samples and have it compared to other iron deposits in the region or abroad, and we can tell based on the results of these tests that the iron that we have on site comes from different regions around the world. So one of the other main things that we're trying to do here with the iron is not only determine where they're working it in the site and what they might be making in the site on a rather contained scale, but we're also looking at the larger regional scale and how the raw material was acquired, where it was brought from, and then what it might have been used for once it was produced and processed here at Tel Akko.